I am Abdullah Omar, Vice President, Guinness World Records, Middle East and North Africa. My team informed me that we are processing the final review of the evidence for the record title Thinnest E-ink Tablet. Let's meet our adjudicator Shadi to find out how things are going.
We're almost there. This record is quite complicated. It is measured by the thickness of the tablet and requires international market research and lab testing. Our internal team has already reviewed the evidence. We're just confirming the last details before confirming the results. Would you like to try the tablet?
And now let's see how thin it is.
So the iFLYTEK AI Note 2 is thinner than a standard pencil. It is thinner than a standard pen. It is much thinner than a notebook. And now one last thing to do. Announce the result. And on behalf of Guinness World Records, it gives me great pleasure to announce that the Thinnest E-ink Tablet has an average thickness of 4.2 millimeters and was achieved by the iFLYTEK AI Note, manufactured by Chengdu Doxin Technology and verified on the 18th of September 2025. Congratulations, you are officially amazing.